Começa.
Hello, I'm Gabriel and I will make a tingling cake. The tingling cake is not a Chinese cake, but it's Brazilian cake. The first step, we'll make the list of ingredients. The ingredients, so 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of oil, and 1 tablespoon of sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles. Oh, in the second step, we will take the sugar, 2 cups, and add in a bowl. The next, we'll take the flour, 2 cups, and add in the bowl. To finish, we'll take the yeast and add in the bowl, but it's a 1 tablespoon, and stir. Now, we take the 3 eggs and add in the bowl. We take a cup of milk and add in the bowl. To finish, we take the oil and add in the bowl a half of cup and stir all over again. Now, to the final step, we take the sprinkles, the chocolate sprinkles, 1 tablespoon, and put in a bowl. Oh, now